Hey everyone, are you ready for 10 more amazing tips? These habits will make 2025 your best year yet. If you haven't seen part 1 yet, go watch it to discover the first few habits. Don't miss out. But now, let's continue our journey and learn more powerful habits that will make all the difference. Tip 11. Healthy eating. You are what you eat. Including more natural foods in your diet helps improve your health, your energy, and even your mood. How about adding an extra fruit or vegetable to your meals? Tip 12. Get enough sleep. Sleep is essential for the well-being of our physical and mental health. Try to maintain a regular sleep schedule, sleeping between 7 and 9 hours a night. Your body and mind will thank you. Tip 13. Practice meditation. Spending a few minutes of your day meditating reduces stress, helps improve concentration, and promotes well-being. There are several apps and videos that can help you get started. Tip 14. Develop emotional intelligence. Recognizing and managing your emotions is essential for healthy relationships and personal success. Invest in self-awareness and empathy. Tip 15. Organize your workspace. An organized space increases productivity and reduces anxiety. Take a few minutes to tidy up your desk, get rid of unnecessary papers, and leave everything in order. Tip 16. Learn something new. Learning a new skill stimulates the brain and provides personal satisfaction. It can be a language, a musical instrument, or even a different recipe. Tip 17. Cultivate healthy relationships. Spending time with the people we love enriches our lives. Set aside some time to be with friends and family, strengthening those important bonds. Tip 18. Set healthy boundaries. Learning to say no when necessary protects your time and energy. Define clear boundaries and respect your needs. Tip 19. Be proactive, not reactive. Anticipating challenges and planning preventive actions makes all the difference. Instead of reacting to circumstances, take the initiative and stay in control. Tip 20. Avoid comparisons. Each person has their own path. Focus on your progress and celebrate your achievements without comparing yourself to others. These were 10 more recommendations to boost your 2025. Which one did you find most challenging? Tell me in the comments. And don't forget, we still have 10 more amazing recommendations in the next video. See you there.